So now we're going to look at this Haldex, which has a fill right here and a drain right here. We got our kit on FCP Euro. We're going to take this out and replace the seals and clean off the screen. But first I think we need to disconnect the control module from the pump itself. And I remember Dan having issues with getting his... Alright, so there's a tab on the top that I pushed with my finger and then pried the harness away from the controller. And then there's like a plastic harness carrier thing. You gotta just pinch the ends on the opposite side of where it's fed through. I can show you that once it's out. Well, that's free over here. Basically, there's that tab, and then just flathead push on here. So push that. Usually if you insert the connector first, pull up on the tab, and then pry it on this edge with the flathead. Might have been this edge. Actually, it was this edge. And then this guy feeds through this housing. You just pinch on it, push it through. Now we can remove the Haldex pump itself, but first we will drain. So we'll check this fill, loosen that guy. Drain here. And the drain is an 8mm. Fluid also looks decent. Oh, that smells really nasty. For the Haldex pump, looks like we've got two T30 Torx. It's this one here and that one there. It might be a 10mm on the outside, but the T30 is easier to get in and out of there. The FCP kit comes with fluid as well as the Haldex pump hardware and fill and drain plug, which is nice. You do not want to remove those smaller hexes because that's how you screw up your pump. This is how I know. And fluid will come out of there. And the filter screen looks decent on this, but we will remove it with these T25s, it looks like. Clean it off with some brake clean and fresh O-rings. New install hardware going in my tray here. Gonna pull off the O-rings real quick. The screen is clog free. A little bit of fluid on it before you put it back in. There should be some in the housing as well to kind of rub around here. Harness goes up and around this way. Make sure you don't pinch the O-rings. I need to draw it in with the Haldex pump bolts, 10 Newton meters. The drain is 35 Newton meters. That's the 8mm hex right here. 35 Newton meters on the drain. Fill will be 15 Newton meters, but we gotta fill it first. We'll pump it until it starts dripping. Cycle the ignition 5 times or so. That'll get the pump priming, and then that'll bring the fluid down, and then you top it up, cap it off. You're good to go. Nope. seems like we are much closer to topping it up now. 15. Alright, that's all she wrote, folks. Oh, this looks brand new. We're gonna get some fresh new in there. 5mm hex. You never know. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's still heat soaked, but clean. Or maybe it was changed 500 miles ago. And we'll fill it. It should take about a quart until it starts draining out. So I got 3 quarts for the front and rear, just to make sure I had enough